Assalamu alaikum, Khawateen Hazrat. Hello and welcome to another episode of FY, where we speak to your favorite personalities about their lives, their struggles, their triumphs, and of course, their successes. Today, I have a very special guest with me. She's also a friend of mine, but she is so much more than just my friend because she is a pioneer in Pakistan fashion journalism. That was where she started, and then of course we know her very lovingly because we watch all her videos on YouTube. She is quite the sensation there. She has helped launch a lot of brands and has interviewed local and international celebrities. She's been the editor in chief of a leading newspaper, national newspaper, yes, an author, and is presently the publisher and CEO of one of the fastest growing and most respected YouTube channels. But as you can see, she has a Zen like calm and holds no bar when it comes to honesty and authenticity. It is none other than Amna Heather Isani.
Thank you, Priya.
Yeah.
I'm so zen sitting this side of the
You
table,
are very
you
zen
know.
looking right now.
I'm very zen because usually I'm like, and I'm really bad at intros. So I also write them and I kind of,
Memorize them.
I don't memorize them, but I kind of make a structure.
Yeah.
But I'm all over the place.
Yeah.
But right now
yeah.
I'm really zen. This
हाँ,
is
कि मेरी
this is your problem. अब तुम्हारा मसला है
हाँ,
ये.
तुम्हारा मसला. हाँ.
Yeah.
So actually I just said this, Amna Heather Isani.
Yeah.
Is Isani your parents? Like, does that come from your dad's side or is it your
No,
husband's?
it's my husband's name.
Ah,
yeah.
okay. All right.
Yeah.
Acha. So let's start with the familia because that's where we always start.
2/3 of my name is my husband's name.
How do we feel about that? I mean, I'm just saying, मैं बहुत honestly ये बात करना चाहती हूँ और मैंने ये कभी कही नहीं है actually. I'm gonna say it and then you take over.
Yeah.
कि I brought my kids up.
Yeah.
मैंने उनको सिंगल हैंडली बड़ा किया है, परवरिश की है, स्कूल भेजा, सब कुछ किया.
Yeah.
बुखार उतारे, ये वो फल. एंड मुझे कभी कभी ये बात खड़कती है कि जो लास्ट नेम है वो एक्स हस्बैंड की फैमिली का नाम है जो कि चलता जाएगा सदियों. अब बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने करना शुरू कर दिया. देव स्टार्टेड टेकिंग देयर मदर साइड मैटर्नल नेम और व्हाटएवर. एंड आई थिंक नेम इज समथिंग जो कि आपकी अपनी चॉइस होनी चाहिए.
It's a choice.
है ना?
It's a choice.
सो हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दैट?
It's a choice I made.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You made that choice,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It's a choice I made. And yeah, I'm happy with it.
I'm glad you made that choice and you were happy with it. But I wasn't happy with it.
You weren't
मैंने नहीं, हाँ, मैंने तो थोड़ा सा एहतजाज किया था इस बात पे कि मेरा जो नाम है फ्रीहा अल्ताफ़ है. That's what I was known as before I
Yeah.
got married. And to have to add another name, तो उस बात पे काफ़ी अजीब किस्म
हुई
की,
थी.
हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा. यानी कि बीच में सड़क में उतार दिया गया था और कहा था
Yeah.
कि खुद ही घर आ जाना. So
That kind.
yes, like that kind.
No,
Like,
I had none of that.
so I'm really glad to
No,
hear
I had
that.
none of that. It was a choice I made.
Yeah.
I kind of liked the surname.
Yeah.
I think it worked well.
It works. It's
kind
nice.
of
It's got a
weird.
nice flow
Yeah,
to
it's got a
it.
nice feel to
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
And people keep asking what it means and iska matlab kya hai, and they keep calling it Ehsani or whatever. They can't figure it out.
हाँ.
But I was pretty happy with it. I was like, yeah.
अच्छा तो आमना मुझे भी कुछ चीज़ें नहीं पता थी. हालांकि तो मेरी दोस्त हो.
हाँ.
तो you traveled a lot before you settled in Pakistan.
Yeah.
Yeah, your family is like, where are they from?
So they're both from Punjab.
Okay.
My mother's side is kind of half from India, from Delhi, and half from Punjab. So there's a big mix of people and a mix of races. But both of them are academics. So they were studying and then they got married. And it's a really diverse kind of a family because we've got Sunni Shia happening. My mother was Sayyid Shia.
अच्छा.
My father's Sunni Rajput. So there's a lot of
मैंने सुना है कि शियों की फैमिली में लड़की ले लेते हैं, देते नहीं.
नहीं देते.
हाँ.
नहीं देते. बट अब खैर बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल हो गया है. इट्स रियली
तो
रिलैक्स नाउ.
उस ज़माने की बात कर
उस ज़माने में सो दे गॉट मैरिड एंड
लड़ाइयाँ नहीं हुई उस वक्त कि भाई लव मैरिज थी उनकी.
लव मैरिज. दे वर स्टडीइंग टुगेदर.
अरे
दे
नाइस.
वर स्टडीइंग आर्ट टुगेदर. सो लव मैरिज थी ऑफ कोर्स एंड वो हुआ. बट ये कि दोनों को क्योंकि पढ़ने लिखने का बहुत शौक था. They were really into education. So Abu was like the first PhD Islamic architecture, and he went to Heriot Watt for it on scholarship. And he was one of those rare people who decided not to leave his wife and kids behind and go to study. So he took us all with him.
Wow.
So this, my mother still tells me this, that I was a fat kid, and she said that 2 साल की थी and you were on a plane for the first time and you refused to get off my lap. और यहाँ से लेके एडिनबरा तक तुम गोद में बैठी रही, you know. Yeah, but I was like a really pampered child.
Mashallah.
So then they took us there, and that's where I grew up. But that's the first place I know as home,
Right.
Edinburgh. And I have such fond memories, you know,
Right.
of my teachers and of my school. And
How long was that?
It was 6 years.
Wow, काफी.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
like the initial years.
That's the primary years,
हाँ,
absolutely.
जब
That's
आप
the
develop
formative.
होते हो,
बिल्कुल,
सब
बिल्कुल,
कुछ.
बिल्कुल.
Wow. Wow. Have you gone back?
I have not actually. I want to go back this year. I want to take my kids there.
That's a
I want to
great
take my kids there, and I want to go back. So we were there, and I remember a lot of racism, and I remember beating up a lot of kids, you know, as a little.
Yeah. Just because you were
feisty
Pakistani.
4-year-old.
वैसे तो तुम गोरी
yeah.
चिट्टी हो, तो रंग पे तो नहीं वो जा रहे होंगे.
नहीं,
मगर-
नहीं, नहीं.
हाँ, फिर भी.
हाँ, हाँ, of course. देसी तो देसी थे ना.
You beat them up. मुझे ये
used to
तो
beat
मुझे
them up.
सुनना है.
हाँ, I used to-
Really?
yeah, I used
क्या
to beat-
कहते थे?
ये Paki.
बस Paki was the bad
Paki
word.
was the gali.
Insult. हाँ.
Yeah,
हाँ,
absolutely.
It is.
Absolutely.
हाँ.
So I used to beat them up.
Beat them up क्या मतलब? ये तो स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल
लड़ाइयाँ होती थी भाई. हाँ, हाँ, लड़ाइयाँ होती थी.
और फिर तुम्हें प्रिंसिपल के ऑफिस में जाना पड़ता.
कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं. I mean, I could never hurt anybody. Obviously, I wasn't that strong. But yeah, लड़ाइयाँ करती थी मैं. I used to be quite.
तो इसका मतलब है कि
लड़ाका.
आमना was, I will say, empowered शुरू से ही. और ये तुम्हारे एकेडमिक पेरेंट्स ने भी तुम्हें सिखाया
उन्होंने
होगा.
बहुत empower किया.
हाँ.
Until I was, I think, around 5 or 4. I was in nursery. I was like, I remember like my first love, which was Brian, blonde boy. It's time to pack up and go back.
Really?
We cannot raise our children here, yeah, because obviously they're very culturally bound to Pakistan, my parents, and so am I now. And when I came home and I said this, and she said, "Chalo beta, ghar chalo," and my dad was like, "Okay, we can't stay here." Although his supervisors were like, "You're not meant to go back to Pakistan. You're so brilliant. Just stay here. Just stay on." And he was like, "No, I have to go back."
और ये I mean मैं ये इतनी छोटी उम्र ये यूजुअली होता है जब लड़कियां 15-16 साल की हो जाती हैं, जब
I was
उनके
5.
इश्क होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. ये तो बहुत जल्दी हो गया.
I was 5.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so wonderful experience. फिर पाकिस्तान वापस आए and लाहौर,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
और सारी एजुकेशन वहाँ पे हुई.
Yeah.
And how did you and you went into Kinnaird?
No, then we went to Jeddah.
अच्छा हाँ.
Because my dad
yes.
came and then he did a couple of years at the university here.
Okay.
Then he got a job in Jeddah again for Islamic architecture.
How old were you then?
I was, I think, 11, 12.
What was that like? वो तो बहुत different होगा ना
How
फिर
different
from Edinburgh.
Yeah,
से.
yeah. I will have to say I didn't enjoy it. I didn't enjoy it because I just felt those were my teenage years. And it was like very closed life and, you know. But it was an experience. I have to,
Yeah, और हर experience आपको आप
सिखाता
बना
है.
देता है.
Absolutely,
हाँ.
absolutely.
And so फिर वापस कब आए?
So we came back when I was for my O-level time.
अच्छा.
15, 16. I may have the years either other. But then I did my O-levels from Lahore and then I got into Kinnaird, did my bachelor's. Then I went to
वो
government
कैसा
college.
था लड़कियों के कॉलेज में जाना?
वो तो बहुत अच्छा था.
अच्छा था?
हाँ, वो तो
Enjoy
बहुत
किया?
मजा था. Yeah, those were really liberal times.
Yeah.
Those were really great times. There was this
Yeah.
huge NCC field behind Kinnaird. उस वक्त बड़ा खुला खुला होता था.
अच्छा.
उसमें बड़े बड़े, there was tall grass and we just used to lie in those fields like all day.
Wow.
You know, and we were all literature students and all my friends, and we would read poetry, and it was just beautiful. Those are really valuable times.
Yeah.
I made really good friends in college.
Okay.
Still have them, yeah.
And you have a brother also, right?
I have a brother.
Because वो मुझे पता है तुम्हारी पैंडा कहानियाँ और
Oh,
सारी
oh, I have
Great
an
Wall
elder
of
brother.
China
Yeah,
की
yeah,
visit and all, you know, that was a...
Yeah.
And also Tai Chi.
Tai Chi, yeah. So that was when we went to Guilin.
हाँ.
So it's like, okay, ये तो करना है. And you know, my brother's he would make a whole schedule कि सुबह 7 o'clock ये, फिर 7:30 ये, फिर you know, एक चीज़
Right.
कि यहाँ आए हैं तो ये सब कुछ करना है. मुझे पेंटिंग भी करनी थी, वो भी की.
अच्छा.
So Tai Chi भी की.
And you like that, right? So then now the transition Lahore से कराची,
Yeah.
वो उस वक्त हुआ जब आपकी शादी हुई है.
So शादी हुई तो मैं इस्लामाबाद गई.
अच्छा पहले वहाँ गए.
Yeah. ससुराल पूरा इस्लामाबाद था. ससुराल actually कराची था, but my immediate in-laws were in Islamabad.
Yeah.
And so we went to Islamabad. वहाँ से then Heather had to do his MBA.
हाँ.
So we came back to Lahore.
अच्छा.
By that time I had Musa. And then Heather got a job with Engro. So we came to Karachi.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. So अब मैं लोगों को बताती चलूँ, ये भी मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि आमना इसानी ने घुटनों पे तो नहीं शायद, लेकिन अपने मियाँ को प्रपोज किया. ये भी एक unheard of कहानी है. I mean,
Yeah.
maybe we heard. I mean, it's not unheard of. I mean,
No.
obviously, our prophet was proposed to by his
Yeah,
wife.
absolutely,
You know, so
absolutely.
many years ago. लेकिन होता नहीं है हमारे कल्चर में ऐसे. हाँ
नहीं होता.
हाँ. तो ये कैसे हुआ? I mean, you liked him.
I didn't even know him that well, Priya. It's really bizarre. I mean, I can't explain it. But when they say, you know, what is love at first sight, I mean, I've experienced it. I've experienced it. And then I've experienced the stages of love that follow. And it kind of gives you strength for life, you know. It's really, I can't explain it, but there was this one day, and he was my brother's class fellow in university. And
Cute
then-
था.
I mean, he's your typical, you've seen him, he's your
Yeah, I know
typical
him.
6 feet tall, Sindhi, Vadera type shakal, you know.
Right.
And I just saw him, I was like, this is it. I had no reason to say it, no reason at all.
But you were.
I was all of 21 years old.
हाँ, मगर you were literature student, you know, you were
Yeah.
reading poetry. There's हर लड़की के दिमाग में पाकिस्तान में एक रोमांस होता है.
होता है.
और
Yeah.
वो जब आपको आप वो एक ढूंढ रहे होते हो, आपका वो जो होता है प्रिंस or whatever who you know you're then, and you see somebody, and that's like you said, so you can't explain the love at first sight, but then you don't know the person also. You got to
don't
know him.
the person.
He refused, right?
He said,
अच्छा मुझे प्लीज बताओ हुआ क्या. आई वांट मुझे खुद नहीं पता. आई मीन अगर हम वैसे भी बैठे होते आपस में कॉफी पी रहे होते कहीं रेस्टोरेंट में, तो ये कहानी तो मुझे सुना रही होती.
Yeah, so no, first of all, I told my parents, of course, that this is what I want to do.
What did they say?
My father was my father's been really supportive to me all my life, although both my parents, but in the difficult decisions,
Yeah.
they were both like, you're well within your right.
Right.
करना चाहती हो कर लो.
हाँ.
And yeah, so I did.
Very good. ये तो नहीं है, मुझे बताओ
Actually,
वर्ड.
I'm
तुमने
not-
उसको कहा क्या?
मुझे याद भी नहीं है मैंने क्या कहा.
कैसे हो
मुझे नहीं
सकता
याद,
है
मुझे
यार?
नहीं याद मैंने क्या कहा. मुझे ये याद है कि उसने क्या कहा आगे से. उसने
क्या
कहा,
कहा?
I'm not made for marriage. And he was
अच्छा.
right.
अच्छा.
He said, I'm not made for marriage.
Okay.
And it's not you. I don't want to get married. And there is a trend in their family that people don't get married.
अच्छा.
They pursue careers or, you know, they're...
नहीं तो फिर हाउ नस्ल कैसे आगे चलती है? वडेरों
रही
की तो
है.
नस्ल सरदार और ये सब तो
नहीं, चल
चलना
रही है,
पड़ता है.
नस्ल चल रही है.
हाँ.
but बहुत से लोग नहीं भी कर रहे शादी.
अच्छा.
तो वो मैंने कहा अच्छा. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा, I'll wait. I'll wait. I waited
ये
for a
भी
year.
बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है. Wait.
But by the way, I was very
This-
empowered. It was not like, hi, मैं बेचारी और मैं
I-
रो रही.
I know
Which is
that.
why when I watch dramas these days, and I was like, this is fine. I mean, you know, कोई मुझे कहे, oh, we don't think love at first sight exists. No, it does. It does. जैसे अच्छा ऐसे कौन करता है कि लड़की करके और फिर इंतजार कर रही है कि उसने कह दिया नहीं तो नहीं चीज़ें चेंज भी हो जाती हैं. As long as you
अगर
feel
आप-
it's your
हाँ,
choice and you're,
हाँ,
yeah,
हाँ.
absolutely.
एंड ऑल्सो कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए कि मैं वो एक ईगो हर्ट होता है जब कोई आपको रिजेक्ट करता है. ओके, इट्स नॉट इवन रिजेक्शन बिकॉज ही डिडंट रिजेक्ट. उसने कहा कि हमारे फैमिली में ऐसा होता नहीं
उसने ये
है.
नहीं कहा, उसने कहा मैं I'm not made for marriage.
आई एम नॉट मेड
I'm
फॉर
not made
मैरिज.
for
हाँ,
marriage.
तो दैट वाजंट अ
And he was
रिजेक्शन.
right. And he was right.
हाँ, ओके.
He wasn't.
He wasn't made for marriage.
No.
Do you think इसलिए क्योंकि उसकी फैमिली में ये नहीं था? तो एक चीज़ होती है ना, आप कल्चरली देख रहे होते हो मैरिजेस को. आई मीन आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ चल रहा होता है, तो
Yeah.
डू यू थिंक कि वो इसलिए था बिकॉज यू सेड कि उसकी फैमिली में है ही नहीं इतना. सो इज दैट व्हाट द रीजन वाज?
I think that the men in his family, and this is what his Taya once told me, that the men in his family, because they were from a generation that they were sent off to boarding school as little boys. You know, Lawrence College chale gaye, Hassan Abdal chale gaye. So they had very little connection with the family. They were raised as independent, really, really independent men.
Yeah, okay.
So they were not made for family life as such. अब वो trend चलता आ रहा था. So वो ingrained था basically.
So yesterday, कल ही मैं न्यू यॉर्क टाइम्स में पढ़ रही थी that 40 by 2030 45% of the women in the world will be single and not have children. It's very interesting in Western countries, not in Eastern countries, but
Yeah.
Western countries.
Yeah.
So it's एक trend जो है वो change भी हो रहा है for that. But I understand exactly what you're
But
saying.
that's really unfortunate.
I know.
I don't buy that.
It's
trend.
just it's data, I guess.
It's
an
data,
article,
yeah, yeah.
So,
But
but it
coming
was
from-
interesting for me to read it. That the choices, the choice now
Yeah.
to remain single,
Yeah.
and it's okay. It's up to you to decide कि भाई करना है नहीं करना. So that's very interesting. Okay, and okay. So फिर आप कराची आ गए.
Yeah.
Okay, आपका जो करियर था वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था?
करियर तो शुरू हो चुका था
हो चुका बच्चा हो रहा है, मूसा हो रहा है,
सब कुछ करियर तो चल रहा था
हाँ,
करियर तो 17 पे शुरू हो गया था
अच्छा
मास्टर्स के बीच में
पैशनेट अबाउट राइटिंग
very passionate about reading and writing
what about journalism? The journalism came later.
so my dad was always associated with the newspaper because
Okay.
he was a political cartoonist
Right. अच्छा
हाँ
I didn't
so,
know that.
yeah
Wow, फीका की तरह remember फीका?
अभी तक
हाँ.
कर रहे बना रहे होते हैं अब
Really?
प्लीज जरा रिलैक्स कर जाएं अब
Wow.
so he was a political cartoonist so हमेशा there was an association with the newspaper
हाँ.
वो तो हमेशा था
हाँ
so मुझे लिखने का शौक था
हाँ
फिर मैंने जर्नलिज्म पढ़ ली
हाँ
तो मैंने कहा अच्छा ये अच्छा फील्ड है
हाँ
फिर मैंने मास्टर्स भी कर लिया
हाँ
और एक रैंडम एड एक दिन देखा लिबास का
हाँ
while I was doing my masters
हाँ.
and I just went and I applied and they gave me a job.
But that was fashion and lifestyle.
It was lifestyle, yeah, but I mean, of course, it was art in the house and people were reading poetry and there was always painting and all
Enjoyed
of
it,
that and the
enjoyed it.
museums and
Huh.
Ami Abu had always taken us to, museums. By that time, I had been inside the pyramids, which you can't go today. So I still remember crouching and going up to
Me
the
too.
emperor's chamber up there, which was
Yeah.
freezing cold and lined with mummies and,
Yeah.
it was like those experiences really, they map your life.
They do.
They create who you are.
Right, I agree.
So we had done all that, and living in Jeddah, I think the best thing was that we would go for Umrah like every month. घर की बात हो गई थी उम्रे पे जाना हज भी कर लिया गारे हिरा में भी बैठ के
अरे
नमाज पढ़ ली हाँ
वाह,
अब तो गारे हिरा में आप जा नहीं सकते
हाँ.
but at that time and because of Abbu's position and because he was teaching so we had access to all these places गारे हिरा में भी चले गए तो वो सब चीज़ें so Libas was like liaison between
Yeah.
London and India and Pakistan and it was also a lot of art
Because
So-
it was also international. I
Yeah.
remember at that time it was very international. Okay, so and that after that you left Libas. Did you
I
get
was-
fired? Did you get fired?
no I did not get fired
Sorry. No, I'm just asking.
I have
because
been fired from places,
But
but
no,
not
that's
from
fine,
Libas,
it's okay, you
Actually,
know.
no, I haven't been fired. I always quit.
You quit, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So वो आपने छोड़ दिया फिर Libas को.
Yeah.
And
मैं
then
लिखती रही उनके लिए मैं काफी साल तक उनके लिए लिखती रही even when I
अच्छा.
moved to Karachi even in
अच्छा.
Islamabad I was writing on and off
ठीक है.
लिखती रही मैं उनके लिए
And उस वक्त do you think that's when you developed a love for fashion or did you have it before that?
I think I had it before that I think I was
Very
always
fashionable. Please check out Ramna Isani's earrings. I'm
Which,
looking
by
at
the
them
way,
right now.
I'm worried कि ये ठक ठक हो रही
नहीं
है
नहीं ठक ठक
camera
क्या
में.
ये भी ठक ठक है ये भी
अच्छा,
ठक
बस
ठक
सही
है it's good it's good
हाँ so no I was always like like
Okay.
in college yeah
Yeah.
yeah always
dress up
fashionable
yeah
kind of yeah
all right so great so then my interaction with you started जब हम Instep at Instep
I
basically
remember our very first meeting
I don't remember
I don't know it's like etched on my
Oh, no,
memory
tell me
No, it was very good. It was the Carnival de Couture, I think the
Oh.
first year in Karachi
okay
when Arjun Rampal was coming
oh.
and when Tarun Talyani and Rohit Bal and all these people came.
Yeah, that was a
and
big one.
It was a big show. And
that
I
was actually the second one
It was the second one, right?
second one first one में उनके stars नहीं आए थे
नहीं.
they had Sumit Verma आए थे Ritu Berry was here not Ritu Berry the other Ritu anyway one of them and Reena Dhaka sorry Reena Dhaka
I remember that as well.
Dior था were you there
I think so.
बीच लग्जरी के पार्किंग लॉट में हुआ था वो
No.
वो पहला था
No.
वो पहला था
This
but it
was
was
the
a good show
second. And I
अच्छा
had
so
moved
second
when I
one.
was writing for Dawn.
yeah
And we had spoken over the phone
right
various times, but I had never met you. So I came up to you backstage and I said, I'm Amna Isani and we'd never met, but we should meet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that was a good meeting.
Oh, because I
Yeah.
don't remember. But okay, I'm glad you brought up the carnival. It was big,
It was
huh?
superb, man. It
It
was
was
so beautiful.
big.
It was so,
I mean, I
yeah.
just remember the
Those
stars
were
and
the times.
and Shilpa Shetty and
Yeah.
was it Urmila? Or was it the other one? Oh,
No,
no, it's the other
Shilpa
one.
Shetty, I remember very well.
Shilpa आई
I
थी,
think
Arjun Rampal थे, and
Arjun
there was
Rampal came,
and there was that other girl.
Sushmita and all these people came for a Brian Adam concert, if you
Right,
remember.
right,
Those were
right.
good times.
Yeah,
Log
yeah.
aate the.
I mean, yeah, they were big. Also, exchange जो cultural exchange बहुत बड़ा था
Super.
ना
It was
कि
super.
मनीष मल्होत्रा का भी शो हो रहा है तो साथ में रिजवान बेग और सना सफीनाज भी
Yeah,
हैं
yeah.
या फायजा समी भी हैं उस शो में.
Absolutely.
And also learnings कितनी होती थी. For me also it was a huge learning कि there was one show director from India, and we're still in touch, by the way,
Yeah.
with all the wonderful people there. But it was amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing time.
Amazing times.
Yeah, amazing. I think वो 2000 का जो era था 2000 to maybe 2008, I think 9 maybe, that was it.
Yeah.
That was it. उसके बाद से चीज़ें थोड़ी
I
different
mean,
हो
they were
गई.
good as long as fashion weeks lasted, right?
Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah.
Fashion was good.
Fashion
it was
was good.
exciting.
Yeah, it was exciting.
Yeah, it was exciting.
Okay, we'll talk a lot about fashion. हमने बहुत सारी बातें करनी है. बल्कि but then I think you became the editor also at InStep, and when was that? Which exact time was
Yeah,
that?
I don't even remember. Editor, by the way, was much later.
Much later. You were working
I
there.
worked at InStep. First, I was at Dawn.
Yeah.
I was writing for Dawn.
हाँ.
So I never worked full time while I was raising my children.
अच्छा अच्छा.
मैंने कभी भी full time नहीं किया.
Kids are great, by the way. Mashallah.
Kids are,
I mean,
alhamdulillah,
एक
yeah.
वॉटन जा चुका है.
Yeah.
दोनों इधर है ही नहीं. दोनों
नहीं,
भाग-
एक आ गया वापस.
कौन सा है?
The younger one wanted to
छोटा
come back.
वापस
हाँ,
आ गया.
हाँ.
खुश है वो यहाँ
हाँ,
पे.
he's got a job. And
Really?
he's-
Where is he working?
Well, he's working with a startup.
Wasn't he like engineer था ना वो?
No, boxer.
अच्छा
He
हाँ.
wants to
I've-
pursue a life of career in boxing.
This
तो
is
उसने मुझे कहा मैंने तो full time job नहीं करनी. I need a job that gives me a shift so I can train in the evenings. I said, भाई, you do whatever you want to do.
where does he go?
As long as you have a routine.
Wow.
He goes to K7.
अच्छा.
Yeah, so as long as you have a routine,
हाँ.
you do whatever you
Is he competing? वो compete भी कर रहा
Yeah,
है?
I used fought 2 matches. पहला तो हार गया था जो लंदन में हुआ था, UK में जो हुआ था.
So I mean, is he representing Pakistan?
Not
also?
yet.
Not yet, but
He
he's
says I
amateur
will-
level पे.
He said
he's-
मैं 12 matches पहले करूँगा,
लूँगा, हाँ.
उसके बाद apply करूँगा for license.
Wow, this is amazing because इस तरह की बहुत ज़रूरत है. और फिर again, empowering your children to do what they want is a very important thing.
It's scary because you don't
Yeah.
know how it's going to go.
Yeah.
But you have to. I mean,
You
it's a
have
choice
to.
that they're making.
I mean, you can't even, huh? So, but still, I think every podcast I say this: let your children be, and let them do
Absolutely.
what they want,
Absolutely.
marry who they want, because ये उनकी ज़िंदगियाँ हैं, आपकी नहीं हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So, अच्छा, okay, wow. So we're gonna go back and rewind and talk a little
Children
bit.
grew up with me, right?
Yeah,
I had kids very young. Like I had the first when I was 24,
yeah,
the second when I was 28.
Right.
By 28, I had both kids.
हाँ,
So मुझे तो लगता है मेरे साथ ही बड़े हुए हैं.
right. Yeah, I agree with you.
And that's great.
Yeah,
I'm
I
an
think so.
advocate for, I mean, to each his own.
But I mean, I had my kids a little later.
Yeah.
But I also think कि आपके spirit में होना चाहिए. अगर आपका spirit young होता है ना,
Yeah.
तो फिर you can be a very old young person as well.
Of course.
You know? और वो आपके spirit ही होता है, वो पुराना और वो आप उसी में रहते हो.
Yeah.
वो मज़े नहीं लेते अपने बच्चों के, and you're not enjoying the time with them. Anyway, so I mean, obviously we've had a relationship, and we had a good relationship because we got along really well.
Yeah.
And I think also आमना की जो बात मुझे आपके बारे में पसंद थी as a professional was ये थी कि you have never been afraid. कभी तुम्हें डर नहीं लगा to disagree with me even. You understand? A lot of people are very diplomatic, and it's always a point of view and an opinion that you will share and say it. And you're very confident about that. And I think that gets a lot of respect because मुझे हमेशा ये feel, and also it's not about argument, it's about discussions.
Yeah.
And I think when you're talking to someone who's intelligent and has a point of view,
Yeah.
तो वो आपकी ग्रोथ के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आपकी सोच गलत हो सकती है
Yeah.
और आपको एक एक तरीके से चलना होता है जब आप दूसरे बंदे की रिस्पेक्ट करो और उनकी ओपिनियन की रिस्पेक्ट करो. सो दैट इज़ where I think I've always found respect for you and had that relationship with you because मेरे से भी बहुत ज़्यादा लोग बर्दाश्त नहीं होते. तुमसे भी नहीं होते. I'm going to say it. नहीं होते because वो एक authenticity बहुत जरूरी, honesty
and I think respect.
Respect बहुत जरूरी होती है. अच्छा, now tell me, for me obviously there's so many incidents with you. मगर मैं जब फैशन वीक कर रही थी PIFD वाला हो, बिकॉज लोग अभी मुझे कहते हैं कि नहीं, मुझे कहते हैं कि जी पहला फैशन वीक जो था वो 2010 में हुआ PIFD, and I have to remind them that there was just one awful experience that we had in 2007 or 6, even 7 or 6, I've written down somewhere, जहाँ पे फैशन वीक अटेम्प्ट करने की कोशिश की थी. Okay, with the Fashion Pakistan Council, which was Karachi Council, and it was pretty much of a nightmare, and you and I were talking.
It was 2008, I think.
2008 we were talking also, huh? But to me, technically, I don't know if technically, non-technically, because it was still through the Fashion Council, to me that was the first fashion week, okay, in history, Pakistan's fashion history, if it's going to be
ever
there.
documented.
It's ever, And then 2010 में जब मैं PIFD का शो कर रही थी, तो the chairperson of the council said to me कि आमना इसहानी को नहीं लेके आना है. PFDC, sorry, PIFD कह रही हूँ, it's a school. PFDC. तो मुझे कहा गया कि, and I just looked there and said no, I do PR, right? So I'm like, no. Even if you disagree with somebody, a point of view, you never say कि उसको ban कर दो या उसको blacklist कर दो. And luckily for me, I wasn't doing the PR for that event, and there was another lady, I'm not taking names as you can see, who said the same. Said, excuse me, we can't do this. And I said, and I was like, we can't do this, So there obviously was some kind of disagreement or altercation that happened with that certain person.
It was a story I did.
It's a story you did.
It was a cover story I did.
और वो उसमें क्या था ऐसा कि जो कि लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगा?
So I was an assistant editor at that time.
Right.
And my beat was fashion. I was covering all the fashion weeks. And I was a very hardcore journalist, reporter that time. I was not the zen diplomatic person I am right now. So at that time, I did that story because, as you know, councils में rift हो गया था. There was supposed to be one council, और फिर वो 2 councils हो गई थी.
नाम भी चुरा लिया था एक ने दूसरे से.
बहुत कुछ हुआ था, अब तो मुझे याद भी नहीं है. बहुत कुछ हुआ था. And there were people who were responsible for that. So I just named them. I named those people in that story, and what I didn't give was the headline. That was, of course, editorial discretion. But the headline was very hard-hitting. और मैं शायद when I go back and I think, it should, वो headline नहीं होना चाहिए था. I can admit that now. वो obviously, the person who that story was about had never been spoken about like that, ever. Yes. So वो obviously for ban तो होना था फिर. Ban
फिर भी आप ban नहीं हुई. मैं भी वहाँ बैठी हुई थी. मैंने कहा नहीं ऐसे.
I wasn't banned thanks to you guys. I mean, you guys brought some sanity logic to the table that you can't ban. So I was covering, so I was not banned. पर जो वो after show dinners होते थे या parties होती थी, I was never invited. No, and I was fine with it. I was like, मुझे वैसे भी नहीं जाना. मैंने कब पार्टी की है? You know me.
मिट्टी डालो इसको वहाँ.
मिट्टी पाओ. You know me. मैंने कितनी पार्टीज की हैं अपने.
बहुत कम, बड़ी मुश्किल से मैं आमना को बुलाती हूँ.
30-year career में I'm not the person who wants to go to the after party.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not.
Yeah, that's true. Right. Okay. So that was one.
मुझे काम करना है. मुझे काम करना है.
मगर मेरे ख्याल में जर्नलिस्ट की लाइफ बहुत मुश्किल होती है आमना, बिकॉज हर जगह से, एक तो पाकिस्तान में मैं कहूँगी लोगों के लिए क्रिटिसिज्म हज़म ही करना बहुत मुश्किल है, और किसी और का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सुनना, एक तो सुनने की हिम्मत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. आई मीन इट्स नॉट दैट, मैंने आपके सारे आर्टिकल्स देखे हैं, पढ़े हैं, जो भी आप करती हैं, क्रिटिक भी करती हैं, इट्स ऑलवेज इट्स positive criticism लोगों को नहीं समझ आती, right?
It's not always. It had not always. It was not always positive.
Okay.
I've done some pretty hard-hitting stories in my career.
Do you think that's what makes you famous also? It also makes you famous.
Always. That's what my editor said to me.
Yeah.
You need to do that one big story,
हाँ
after which everybody will remember who you are.
हाँ
मैंने वो स्टोरी कर दी.
हाँ
मैंने वो स्टोरी कर दी. डर मुझे लगता नहीं था.
हाँ
मुझे सोशल क्लाइंबिंग का शौक था नहीं, ना ज़रूरत थी.
हाँ
You know,
कि मुझे पार्टी में नहीं बुलाएंगे.
मुझे नहीं बुलाएंगे, मुझे वो था नहीं.
हाँ.
मुझे साइड से पैसे किसी से लेने नहीं थे.
हाँ
कि मैं अगर अखबार वाले मुझे 30,000 रुपये तनख्वाह दे रहे हैं, जो इतने ही देते थे
बहुत कम.
बहुत कम, तो मुझे फलाने डिज़ाइनर को कवर करके
हाँ.
तो वो पॉकेट में पैसे डालने थे.
हाँ.
और वो ऑफर्स होती थी.
हाँ.
उस वक्त भी होती थी. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर
अच्छा.
समबडी ऑफर्ड मी $1 million की कवर स्टोरी कर दो. उस वक्त
Really?
$1 million बहुत पैसे होते थे.
हाँ मुझे भी एक बुल्गारी की अंगूठी एक मरतबा किसी ने ऑफर
कर दी. मैंने कहा मैं नहीं करूँ, मैं नहीं कर
हाँ,
सकती.
ठीक
नहीं
है.
की.
हाँ
या आप किसी को इंटरव्यू करने गए हैं तो आपकी गाड़ी में लुई विटॉन का वॉलेट रख दिया, फलानी चीज़ें रख दी,
Really?
प्रेजेंट्स वापस कर दें. तो वो था नहीं शौक, लालच था नहीं.
हाँ
एथिक्स बहुत स्ट्रांग थे. माँ बाप ने एक बात ऐसे घोट घोट के पिलाई थी दैट एक एक पैसा जो कमा रही हो ना, इसको हलाल करना है.
हाँ
So what doesn't come across is I'm an extremely spiritual and religious person. Like extremely. I'm not ritualistic. And it may not appear because I'm also very liberal. But I think that being spiritual and being liberal
हाँ
go hand in hand beautifully.
I think so.
Which people have not figured out.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं.
I'm a deeply spiritual person, which is what got me through the proposal and the waiting for a year. दुआई की थी ना कि अल्लाह अगर सही है मेरे लिए तो हो जाए.
हाँ
नहीं सही तो नहीं हो.
आई थिंक फेथ जो है ना.
Faith. I have
it-
blind faith.
यार,
I have
it's amazing.
absolutely blind faith.
Yeah.
I have faith to the extent that my fifth month in pregnancy,
हाँ
my doctor said, "You're having a daughter." And I said, "I'm not. I'm having a son."
अच्छा.
And I knew I was having a son.
How do you know?
I don't know. It was
It's
just
in your
fate.
gut.
It was in my gut.
हाँ.
I knew I was having a baby boy. And I did.
बिकॉज वक्त वो नहीं होते थे. क्या कहते
नहीं था अल्ट्रासाउंड.
अल्ट्रासाउंड.
था इतने नहीं है बूढ़े के
अच्छा
अल्ट्रासाउंड.
मेरे ज़माने में भी
अल्ट्रासाउंड था भाई.
बट मैंने कभी पूछा ही
She said,
नहीं.
"You're having a baby girl." I said, "No, I'm not. I'm having a baby boy." And she said, "It's like
Okay.
clear as crystal."
Yeah.
I said, "It's
So
actually
the
not."
faith is strong.
The faith is super strong.
हाँ, I think
to
faith.
miracle level.
Yeah, mashallah. Okay.
And I really want to talk about this that when my mother was diagnosed with
I
cancer.
know. I was going to bring that up, and we've actually, Amna, a lot of people. मैं ये कहूँगी कि जब research भी हम लोग कर रहे थे, बहुत लोगों को आपके बारे में ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. मैं ये भी देख रही हूँ. They see you.
Yeah.
Or you're talking to them, you're talking about the dramas, you're talking about your opinions on things, but unko there's not much out there. You know, these are things that there are again life-changing experiences जो होते हैं
Absolutely.
इंसान की ज़िंदगी में. तो and your parents are not young,
No,
right?
no,
Huh?
no.
They're not young.
They're in their late 80s now.
Late 80s. हाँ, because मुझे पता है कि तुम लाहौर जाती रहती हो उनको उनके
once a
पास.
month, every
तो when was she diagnosed? Tell me.
She was diagnosed, I think, in 2010 or 11.
Okay.
And she was a very active, she was a working person.
Yeah, but
Like
she's
that.
not still that young. This is in her 70s.
Yeah, she was in her 70s.
70s is not young.
No.
Huh.
So she was, and she had a very bad cough, a recurring cough,
Huh.
which was not diagnosed, and people were trying allergies, whatever. When she went for an X-ray, there was a lump in her lung,
Okay.
and वो X-ray में ही lump जो था ना वो पता चल गया था that it's
cancerous.
cancer, it's not benign. But obviously there are so many stages of lung cancer, and there are so many types of lung cancer that they had to do a biopsy, which they did.
Surgery भी की.
लोबेक्टमी हुई पूरी.
निकाल दिया.
हाँ.
पूरा लंग निकाला या part of the.
नहीं, एक लोब निकाला.
अच्छा.
एक लंग के 2 lobes होते हैं.
Right.
But this is, I want to share this, that this is where my spirituality and my faith comes in. That मेरे माँ बाप एक वजीफ़ा करते हैं कुरान शरीफ का. And it's a very tough one.
Okay.
तो वो पहली दफ़ा मैंने अब्बू के साथ बैठ के किया जब अम्मी की बायोप्सी का भी रिजल्ट नहीं आया था.
Okay.
और वो पूरी रात इट्स लाइक 6-7 घंटे का वो वजीफ़ा है कि आपने बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़नी है रिकरिंगली, एंड यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द होल कुरान सेइंग बिस्मिल्लाह. एंड अब्बू एंड आई वेंट थ्रू इट. और हम शाम को बैठे, अम्मी अपना करके आई, अगले दिन रिजल्ट आना था या अगले दिन रिपोर्ट आनी थी. एंड वी सैट एंड वी जस्ट रेड एंड वी रेड एंड वी रेड. एंड उसका होता ये कि यू कैन एट सम पॉइंट यू ओपन द कुरान एंड यू point, there's an ishara for you.
You can point at it and it tells you.
So ishara ये था that you know तुम्हारे लिए खुशखबरी है. This was the translation of the ayat that I pointed to. So I was like, okay, this is going to be benign tomorrow. She's going to be fine. But she wasn't. She wasn't. She was diagnosed as malignant, and it was a small cell aggressive hota hai, large cell जरा slow hota hai, इनका mix था. And it was stage 3. And it had spread in her lung. And the doctor said it's a really grim prognosis, 5 years, you know, and those 5 years may be painful.
Painful because she's coughing.
Because
and
you're
blood
coughing
comes
and then
out,
all of that. And I was like, Allah Mia, what kind of a joke is this? You tell me there's a khushkhabri and then you've given me this. Priya, her recovery was miraculous. Miraculous. सब मुझे पूछते हैं बाल. I inherit my hair from my mother. She's got a great head of hair. मुझे डर था इनके बाल गिरेंगे. मैंने नबीला के साथ फ़ोन शोन करके wig उनकी बनवाई. मैंने कहा she should also have a wig ready when she loses her hair. But उनकी कीमो की cycles हुई हैं. She went back for her PET scan. And her tumor had shrunk from 4 to 1.5. And all the nodes in her lungs had gone benign. And Dr. Ali Raza at Shaukat Khanam, I mean, I have so much respect for Shaukat Khanam Hospital. He said, we are doing a surgery tomorrow. Just get rid of it. And they did a lobectomy. There was no cutting of the ribs or anything advanced था. उन्होंने laparoscopic या कुछ करके 3 दिन वो अस्पताल थी. चौथे दिन वो घर थी. अगले दिन she walked up the Great Wall of China. We got her a wheelchair, which our children were sitting in that we can't walk. And I said, this was my miracle.
Yeah.
I could not have doubted it. खुशखबरी ये थी कि ये आजमाइश है तुम पे आएगी और अम्मी पे आएगी. ये आजमाइश है. गुजार दूंगा मैं. तुम faith तो रखो. I was like, I'm like, I've got like direct connection. Mashallah.
So do you think that was, I mean, you know, there's always that one moment in somebody's life where your heart just breaks.
Heart breaks.
Heart just breaks, you know. Was that the moment for you in your life?
It was. I had to go for a lot of therapy. Because I felt that all my life as a younger child, and I was extremely pampered. I mean, to date. I mean, my parents are like a protective shield around me. You know, through any kind of weather, terrain, everything. I know that they're there and I'm fine. For anything. And this is the first time I felt I had to grow up. I was like, oh God, from being, you know, somebody who's taken care of, I had to be the caregiver. And I was like, my life changed completely. I had to go for therapy and I was like, you know, but then it turned
To understand it also.
To understand it, you
But
know.
then faith bhi aapka aur strong ho jata hai. You know, it can go anywhere, Amna. It is a lot of good faith and a lot of inner strength, perhaps from your mom's side also, because I think that healing is it's the mindset and the energy and the positivity that you give yourself also that helps you. Like, I mean, she can climb the Great Wall of China and recover. वो अंदर से इंसान के अंदर भी होना चाहिए, you know, and also around you.
She was a rock.
Yeah.
She never complained one day. Although she's a pretty pessimistic person, I have to say. Now especially.
I love it कि आमना बैठ के बोल रही है.
She's a pretty negative person. I mean, she sees like, you know, the glass half full and she's fatalistic. Like when Heather was
Realistic, huh?
Really? No, not fatalistic.
अच्छा.
Fatalist है.
अच्छा.
मतलब है हेदर का एक बड़े aggressive tumor diagnose हुआ था. मुर्तज़ा जब पैदा हुआ था, you know. अम्मी ने तो उसको मार के रो के कहा कि पता नहीं ये दोबारा शादी करेगी कि नहीं करेगी. वहाँ तक मतलब पहुँचा दिया. मैं कहा, what's wrong with you guys?
Meaning he's gone and
your life is over.
A widow and now you're
I said, what's wrong with you? He'll be fine. He'll be fine. And you know, and he was. It turned out, alhamdulillah, fine.
Yeah.
But these were life-changing experiences, all of them.
Yeah. So this was also a dhachka.
This
When
was
was this?
This was a big This was also a big dhachka.
When was this?
Well, this was before Ammi.
Achha.
This was even before Ammi. This was also a big dhachka.
Okay.
Because he had this really life-changing surgery and, you know, it was a tumor in his jaw, which was diagnosed. Scaling कराने गया तो doctor ने कहा कि यहाँ पे करा लो, X-ray करा लो. X-ray कराया, so, you know.
And it came out.
Yeah.
वहाँ भी surgery भी थी.
बहुत aggressive surgery थी वो.
But it was, what was it? It was cancerous?
So they do call it like, it's not malignant.
Yeah.
But it's like cancer because it's a very aggressive tumor. It starts eating into your bone.
Oh, okay.
And if it eats into your entire mandible, it could go into the brain as well. So it's really, it has to be operated upon. So वो 6 दांत और वो jaw का पूरा bone वो निकला. And Heather, somebody who's petrified of hospitals and needles and everything. Petrified. So it's like, you know.
Wow.
And
Didn't know.
this as a
I
young
didn't know.
mother with 2 infants on my hands, I was raising single-handedly because my
So what do
parents.
you do? Do you start crying? Do you ever cry?
Oh, I cry all the time.
Really?
I'm a crier.
I've never seen you crying.
I'm a crier. I'll give you a line that I came up with like 3 days ago. And I told this to two of my friends. And one said, who didn't understand, he said, "This is so freaky." I said, "That's not freaky. This is just how I think." And the other one who's seen me through these years, and she said, "That's so beautiful." Because she saw. I told her that, खामोशी में मुझे अपने रोने की आवाज़ आती है. Isn't that like really, it could be really creepy as well that are you hearing somebody else crying? No, I hear myself crying. I've cried through all of this. I'm a weeper. मैं तो फिल्म देख के रो सकती हूँ कुछ भी.
फिल्म पे तो मैं भी रो लेती हूँ.
फिल्म पे भी रो लेती हूँ. सड़क पे किसी गरीब को देखूँ तो रो सकती हूँ. किसी बच्चे को भूखा देखूँ रो सकती हूँ. किसी को प्यारे को तकलीफ में देखूँ रो सकती हूँ. I mean, हैदर का जब
come across as this really tough woman. Everybody, तुम्हारा जो persona है ना, वो ये
रो रो के बना है.
रो के बना.
रो के बना है.
वो तो
Oh my
है.
God,
but
I'm a
मैं-
weeper.
I know, but I'm just telling you what the perception is. And then the reality, this is the whole idea. I think this is the whole point of why we do this. One is to know people and to know the insides of people. And people just think people are, वो जो नज़र आता है surface में, वो tough, डरते हैं भाई तुमसे लोग. हमना इंसानी, तुमसे लोग डरते हैं.
Which I would hope not. वैसे I don't want like डरे ना यार. डरे ना. इज्जत करें, डरे ना. इज्जत
तो
करें,
है,
डरे ना.
इज्जत तो है आमना, but also लोग सच से डरते हैं.
लोग सच से डरते हैं ना. सच का सामना करें. मैं तो ये करती हूँ कि अगर किसी को कह दिया कुछ, for example in the reviews now, and these industries have huge egos, right?
Yes.
Whether it's fashion or whether it's whether it's television or your film stars or your TV stars, they all have huge egos. I was like, yeah, daro nahi, don't take things too hard. Somebody's got to say it, I'm going to say it. But if I'm being unreasonable, I'm sorry. But if you feel that I'm right, then just work on it.
Exactly.
Work on it. I mean, yeah.
Exactly. और I think ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है for growth for anybody, whether it's an actor or whether it's anyone who's working needs to have honest feedback. Because अब आपके मुंह पे सब तारीफ़ें ही करते रहेंगे तो, but वो एक किस्म का, do you think your fashion की जो sort of what we call death, maybe you don't call it death.
No, of course not.
Or whatever, reinvention. Let's call it reinvention. Is because of this? Do you think because of this ego problem? Do you think what is the reason? Do you think it was when you were saying कि उस ज़माने में बड़ा मज़ा आता था?
Yeah.
Okay, fashion was amazing. What's the difference between now and then? What's the difference?
That's interesting. I think times have changed, and I think it begins with economic instability.
Okay.
उस वक्त I feel that there was hope that we could build an industry and we could build brands and we could get bigger and brands will come in and Pakistan is on its rise. That was a time, right? Although we've seen bad times as well.
Yeah.
अब जो है ना, there's a desperation.
Okay.
कि पता नहीं कितनी देर हम कमा सकेंगे. So 5 साल का विंडो है, जितने पैसे बना सकते हो बना लो.
Okay.
So it's shifted from innovation and the craft or the creativity of fashion or the passion for creating and to commercialism. It's like what can we sell? So that shift has happened. Out of desperation, I don't blame anybody.
Okay.
I don't blame anybody. It's like the times are really tough.
They are tough.
They are tough. And once you start making that money, you're like, okay, how much is enough? I can make more, so let's just make more. And then you let go of any kind of talent or artistic streak that you had, and it's replaced by consumerism and money and...
Which designer do you, if you want to name them, do you see this shift in?
Oh, most of them.
Most of them.
I think the ones who didn't make the shift
Didn't survive.
Didn't survive, yeah.
Sonia Bartla. body focus.
Body focus.
Huh.
Yeah. Even now, when Sonia Batla puts something up on Instagram, I immediately go and get it because it's
Right.
just so, it's so aesthetically balanced.
Yeah.
Her structure, her color palette, you know, the thought behind the design, the thought behind if it's a graphic or a print. You know, if there's a motif on the hemline, it'll be on one sleeve, it won't be all over. I mean, she's so aesthetically balanced that it's a crime that she's not, you know, everywhere. But you don't give up your, you know, your ethos, and you suffer,
Yes.
unfortunately.
Because you have to adapt to the times. Acha, do you think, I mean, a lot of things are happening digitally,
Yeah.
right? Digital videos with fashion or
It's all
shoots,
digital now.
all digital now.
It's all
But is
digital.
it? I mean, I'm just saying, बाहर के मुल्क में अभी भी फैशन वीक्स हो रहे हैं, अवार्ड शोज हो रहे हैं,
जी।
इवेंट्स तो हो ही रहे हैं,
जी
ओके, यहाँ नहीं हो रहे.
नहीं
काफ़ी अब मैं कहती हूँ 5 साल से एक किस्म का एक लल हो गया है, या
जी।
जो भी हो भी रहे हैं वो क्वालिटी जो है वो गिर चुकी है,
जी
right? So do you think, what do they know that we aren't doing? What is it that they are still, because there's something about a live show which also creates the digital
Absolutely.
content, right? Okay, so it's very necessary to have that energy. I call it
Yeah.
energy,
Yeah.
right? Because this is where it comes from, right? Do you think that Pakistan should be moving back into that dimension?
I
Where-
think something needs to happen for sure.
yeah.
Some kind of healthy activity needs to happen because we've been taken over by really mediocre like images and work, and you know it's all like
Yeah.
big kya raha hai,
how
big
you
kya
feel?
raha hai, big
I know,
kya raha hai.
I know you're not doing editorial anymore.
Yeah.
Okay. I know कि आपका पूरा वो because आप YouTube पे चले गए, it's more about it's different now, right? You also have
Yeah, it's
you know,
as mass oriented as television can get.
right, and television. You
And television
shifted.
is a mass
There's a
shift,
shift from
absolutely.
Amna Haider Isani
Yeah.
from fashion, because you were mainly known for fashion.
Yeah.
And entertainment, yes, you would critique, but now you did a major shift, and it was a very smart shift.
Because
I
there was
say.
no more fashion to critique.
Yes,
What would I do?
yeah, that's true.
There was no more fashion to critique. Print died a really slow and painful death.
Right.
Digital came in, and people online, there was nothing to see. क्या देखते हो? Fashion shows हो नहीं रहे थे. And television came in a huge way, and I think we need to celebrate that.
Yeah, I
We need
agree.
to celebrate the television revolution. It also needs to rethink itself because it's really a lot of commercialism is happening there too. But अच्छी चीज़ें भी निकलती हैं.
अच्छा कौन मुझे मैं ये पे सोच ही थी, you know कि मैं ड्रामे नहीं देखती.
Yeah, I watch like 12 to 13 dramas a week.
Can you imagine? I mean, that's like 12 to 13 hours of
No.
then.
No. Every drama is like 35 minutes की एक episode होती है.
Do you watch on, and I'm going to ask, do you watch it when it's running or do you watch on YouTube?
No, I watch on YouTube.
हाँ ठीक है.
Running तो मैं ads नहीं, मुझे वक्त तो नहीं ज़ाया करना.
हाँ ठीक है.
I can't take the commercial breaks. No, I watch it on YouTube.
ठीक है.
And sometimes I watch it twice. There are some dramas that I need to because people are so hooked to every detail that if you miss something, they'll come back and say, you missed that.
Oh,
So you have to be really careful.
अच्छा.
And I love that.
You love that.
I love
See,
it.
now, I
I
love
love
the
it.
fact that you love
I
that.
love it.
कि कोई तुम्हें remind कर
मुझे
रहा
कोई
है.
भी पूछता ना कि oh you know we feel so bad for you, how do you do this? Why are you feeling bad for me? I love it. It's my job. I love it. I
Okay.
wouldn't do it if I didn't love it.
All right. So I'm going to ask you to tell me 3 dramas that you think are most underrated.
Like forever or right now?
I mean, जब से तुमने ये
नहीं ये
पकड़ा है.
बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है.
नहीं.
मुझे तो ऐसे
अच्छा,
off
एक
the
ही
cuff मुझे
बता
याद
दो.
ही नहीं रहती चीजें.
अच्छा फेवरेट बता दो.
फेवरेट्स तो हैं. आई मीन जिंदगी गुलजार है इज लाइक एन ऑल टाइम फेवरेट. उसके क्लिप्स भी चल रहे होते हैं ना यूट्यूब पे, तो आई विल स्टॉप एंड वॉच
Okay.
because they're just so good and it's progressive storytelling. You know, a good strong leading lady, Sanam Said.
Sanam Said, yeah.
And then you've got a Fawad Khan, who on screen can do no wrong because he's just so good. As an actor, he's so good. And they create magic. And the storytelling is so good and it's so natural. You know, natural सा scene है कि वो शादी हुई है नई तो ससुर कहता है कि चलो बेटा अजान हुई है नमाज पढ़ते हैं. उसको नमाज पढ़नी नहीं आती. उसको वज़ू भी नहीं करना आता. और उठते उठते बीवी को पूछता है कौन सी नमाज है, तो कहती असर की. अच्छा. और फिर वो वज़ू करने जाता है, वो सोच रहा है कि मैंने पहले कुल्ली करनी है या पहले ना. इट्स जस्ट सो नेचुरल एंड सो स्वीट. अब कोई करेगा नहीं क्योंकि हॉ हाई इतनी हो जाएगी कि हॉ हाई ये दिखा दिया. एक तो द हॉ हाई एलिमेंट इज लाइक पीपल नीड टू लेट गो ऑफ इट.
तो कब से हम कह रहे हैं भाई,
कब से कह रहे हैं यार,
हाय छोड़ दो,
छोड़ दो हॉ हाई करना.
टाइम कहाँ से है तुम्हारे पास हो हाय
स्लीवलेस पहन लिया हॉ हाई, हॉ हाई. फैशन के तो लोग हैं ही ऐसे हॉ हाई. टेलीविजन के तो लोग हैं ही ऐसे हॉ हाई. हॉ हाई छोड़ दो यार.
मगर देखते भी हैं.
हाँ हाँ देख भी रहे हैं. एग्जैक्टली देखना
देख
भी
भी रहे
है.
हैं, क्रिटिक भी कर रहे हैं फिर. हाँ,
Yeah.
बट ये क्या पाकिस्तान में यू थिंक कि ये एक व्हाट इज इट,
Lack of education.
एजुकेशन ही
Yeah,
है ना,
yeah,
और एक फालतू फालतू अननेसेसरी दूसरे को खींचना अपनी जिंदगी से नाखुशी.
Yeah,
आई
हमारी
ऑलवेज
अपनी
फील
insecurities हैं. अपनी insecurities हैं.
अपने आप से ना खुश होने की वजह तो दूसरे को पुल डाउन करना, उनको
वही
देख
बात
के.
ये प्रिया, हर एक की जिंदगी में there is something that you can be insecure about.
ठीक
Take
है.
my weight for example. All my life I've been overweight.
हाँ.
When I was writing as a fashion journalist, I think I was at my largest size. Largest. To the extent that one of our senior designers said that somebody this size does not belong in the front row.
I
I've
remember
heard that.
I
You
know.
remember that, right?
I remember that.
मुझ पे कभी मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा. I was like, you can say whatever you want.
Because तुम बचपन से रेसिस्ट
But that's what I-
बाकी वर्ड पे लड़ रही थी
No, but that's
लोगों
what I'm
से.
saying. That you could be insecure about anything in your life.
But
Or
that's
you could not.
hateful. That, I mean, that's not hateful, but hurtful. Those things are, the body shaming is a very hurtful thing, and वो शुरू से सिर्फ हमारे कल्चर में नहीं, बाहर के कल्चर में भी
Everywhere.
था. जब तक ये एक सोशल मीडिया नहीं आया और यंग जनरेशन ने ये बात उठाई है
Yeah.
कि भाई ये गलत है, ये गलत है, थेरेपीज ओके, आप लोगों को हर्ट ना करें.
Yeah.
आप ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें उठाई हैं
Yeah.
सोशल मीडिया ने. सो आई थिंक वो चीज़ रहेगी. बट आई मीन यू नो द इंडस्ट्री, स्पेशली जिस इंडस्ट्री में, मेरे ख्याल में टेलीविज़न में, मुझे नहीं मालूम, मगर मुझे जहाँ तक मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, जब मुझसे लोग पूछते थे जब मैं वॉट शो करती थी कि भाई सबसे मुश्किल कौन है लोग, एंड मैं हमेशा कहती थी एक ज़माने में बॉलीवुड की एक्ट्रेसेस होती थी जो कि बड़ी मुश्किल होती थी, जिनको जो सारा वक्त झूठ बोल रही होती, उनके पीछे पीछे हमें शैडोज लगाने पड़ते थे कि वो कहाँ हैं. Can you imagine? They're like a spy.
Lollywood.
Lollywood actresses,
हाँ.
Lollywood की actresses.
मुझे याद है दुबई वाला LSA. Somebody ran off with the jewels. I was like,
वाली
dude,
ज्वेलरी की
किधर
जूली
गई,
उठा
किधर गई?
12 लाख का सेट, और मैं पीछे भाग रही हूँ कि वो कहाँ है वो औरत.
Yeah.
उसको मैं ढूंढूं ताकि वो सेट, क्योंकि वो मेरी जिम्मेदारी थी.
Yeah, yeah.
एंड यू नो बाद में मैंने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में भी लिखना शुरू कर दिया, आई विल नॉट टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर मिसिंग
You can't.
आइटम्स. हाँ,
Yeah.
मगर ये बट उसके बाद से फैशन के जो लोग थे वो सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे आई फील हुआ कि खैर मैंने तो आई डेल्ट विद मोस्ट ऑफ देम, एंड मे बी माई because I'm not in that position where I'm critiquing them.
Yeah.
So I have that still that kind of relationship going on. But वो सबसे ज़्यादा चिक 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 बिग 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 चिक 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 बिग बिग चल रही होती है. और तुम्हारे साथ तो बहुत ज़्यादा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल इसी पॉडकास्ट पे एक डिज़ाइनर ने कहा जिन लोगों को फ़ैशन के बारे में नहीं पता उनको लिखना भी नहीं चाहिए. वही वाली फैशन डिज़ाइन जिनकी आपने किताब भी करनी थी, उसका क्या हुआ? उन्होंने आप पे केस भी कर दिया.
हाँ, उन्होंने मेरे बारे में नहीं कहा होगा ये. I'm sure it's not me.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
एक इंडिविजुअल का नहीं बात की उन्होंने.
I'm pretty confident कि मुझे कोई ये नहीं कह सकता कि आपको पता कुछ नहीं है तो आप लिखे नहीं.
नहीं, you would be surprised.
Well,
मैं भी
I mean,
पॉडकास्ट में नहीं बोला, मगर मेरे
people are-
कानों में
वो
तो
तो
आती
खैर
रहती
लोग
है
हर
ये
किस्म की बात करते हैं.
कानों में आती
हर
रहती
किस्म की बात करते हैं.
हाँ.
Yeah.
बट ये बात भी कही जाती है. बट कमिंग बैक टू द बुक एंड द केस, व्हाट इज दैट?
So I was writing a book for someone and
पैसे दिए थे उन्होंने आपको?
उन्होंने दिए, मैं उनको पैसे वापस भी कर दिए.
कर दिए
मैंने कर दिए. मैंने उसी वक्त कर दिए थे.
ठीक है.
मैं कहा मुझे पैसे नहीं रखने.
हाँ.
और मैं पैसे वापस, and it got delayed, like really a lot of delays happened because she was traveling and then I would be traveling.
It is very difficult.
And to write a book, you really need to cut off from everything and just focus on writing the book. You can't be doing 3 things at the same time. मैं अपनी किताब नहीं लिख सकी अभी तक. So वो डिले होते फिर एक दोनों ने कहा कि हमें करना ही नहीं है. मैंने कहा ठीक है ना करें. तो केस वेस नहीं हुआ था.
नो, बट वो सोशल मीडिया पे तो यही चल रहा है कि जी लीगल एक्शन और ये और वो. बकवास है ये. चलो वेरी गुड, आपने क्लियर कर दी बात. एंड कमिंग बैक टू द बुक, अगर आपको किताब लिखनी होगी कभी, किस पे लिखेंगी? अपने आप पे लिखेंगी या who would you like to write a book on? If you had to write a book on someone, say in Pakistan, who would you like to write a book on?
Myself.
Mm.
I would like to write an autobiography, but
Yeah.
also just to motivate women that they can do anything.
Right.
I really think that women can do anything, no matter where they're coming from, where they're going, what kind of personal struggles they've been through, what size they are.
Yeah.
They can do anything.
Right.
You just need to equip yourself for it.
Yeah. Okay, I think okay, good. I wanted to know
Yeah.
who you would. Acha, you talked a little bit about good actors and good actresses. There was a certain actor. ये भी कहा जाता है, एंड अच्छी बात है कि आप यहाँ बैठ के आप बातें क्लियर कर दें सबको, ताकि दुनिया को पता चल जाए और रिकॉर्ड पे भी चला जाए. वो लोग कहते हैं कि जी उन्होंने आपको पैसे दिए, उनकी सिस्टर ने आपको पैसे दिए, आपने उनको बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस किया और किया और बढ़ाया और उनको एक मकाम पे पहुंचाया, और फिर आपने उनको ठक करके ड्रॉप भी कर दिया. सो व्हाट हैपेंड देयर? यू नो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, राइट?
मैंने किसी को नहीं बना सकती. एक तो
पैसे दिए थे उन्होंने? पैसों की बातें चल रही हैं ना, इसलिए मैं घड़ी घड़ी पूछती.
पैसों की बात सबसे पहले चलती है. सबसे पहले चलती है. जब मैं एडिटर थी तब भी चलती थी कि वो आमना 50,000 रुपए लेती हैं टू डू अ कवर स्टोरी.
ये बहुत है
जिस पे मैंने कहा था कि यार अगर मैंने लेनी है तो 50,000 में बिकूंगी, खुदा का खौफ करो.
तो अभी पता चल के 1 मिलियन भी मिल चुके हैं,
मिलियन की भी,
एलवी की वॉलेट्स भी आ चुकी हैं गाड़ी के अंदर.
तो पैसे की तो सबसे बड़ी चीज है ना. देखिए 2 किस्म के इल्जाम लगते हैं औरत पे या किसी पे भी, औरत पे स्पेशली 2 किस्म के. हम in any, I think any industry, a successful woman will deal with 2 kind of allegations. Number 1 कि करप्ट है, पैसे ले रही है. Number 2 that she's sleeping her way up. मैं शादीशुदा थी, प्लस मैं I was like not, I was just not that person who you could say is sleeping her way up. मैंने कहा ये पैसे ले रही है. नहीं, कभी नहीं पैसे लिए.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात की है. और मेरी तो ऐसा एक मतलब आर्ग्यूमेंट तो नहीं हुई थी, डिस्कशन हुई थी इस बात पे कि मैंने एक हमारी जो एक्टर्स हैं उनके बारे में हम ऐसी बात कर रहे थे कि भाई कि उनका तो काफ़ी फेमस है ये बात, क्योंकि मुझे भी कॉल्स आ चुकी थी उनके बारे में कि जी अबाउट द स्लीपिंग योर वे अप टू द टॉप, राइट. एंड आपने मुझे फिर उस वक्त डांटा तो नहीं, आपने मुझे कहा कि यू नो हैंग ऑन अ मिनट. Okay, and you said, let's not sit here and judge how that person got where.
Yeah.
You said this to me. You know this.
I don't remember.
You don't remember this? आपने मुझे ये कहा. Okay, I said, and there was like, there's a person who works really hard to get up there, and it's not easy for women.
No.
It's not easy for them. And it's not just कि हमारी इस entertainment industry में या fashion industry में होता है, क्योंकि वहाँ पर से खूबसूरती की बात आती है, तो वो खूबसूरत हैं वेदर इट्स अ गर्ल और अ बॉय. यू नो वी ऑल ऑल्सो नो सिटिंग ओवर हियर कि इट डज हैपन in our industry. With there've been so many complaints from male models coming to me and complaining about it, coming to me especially because we don't want to go to a certain individual because we have to give favors to get ahead or get into, not on merit. मुझे कितने लोगों ने फ़ोन किए हैं कि जी इसको डाल दो, फला को डाल दो, you know इसको डाल दो, इस तरह का.
आते नहीं थे प्रिया, हर वक्त कॉल्स नहीं आते थे. हर शो से पहले
मुझे आती थी, हर शो से पहले कि जी
हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से नहीं कॉल्स आती थी.
मैं अपना फ़ोन बंद कर देती थी ना. मुझे तो पता भी नहीं है ना. मुझे तो ये, अगर तुम मुझे पूछोगे कि गवर्नर कौन है पंजाब, मुझे ये नहीं पता. मैं इतनी वो हूँ कि स्टे अवे फ्रॉम पॉलिटिक्स.
लेकिन किसी गवर्नर को कौन सी लड़कियां चाहिए कैटवॉक पे, ये तो होता था ना.
ये होता था
और थ्रू टाइम होता रहा है. And it's not just fashion, by the way. Let's not restrict it to fashion.
It's not.
It's happening on television as well.
Of course.
Who wants to cast who? I mean, it's happening everywhere.
And do you think it's still happening? Of course.
Yeah, of course it's happening.
But you are of the opinion that it's okay. It's don't judge so much because you don't know how hard it is for that person to get from A to Z.
I am very clear about my moral standing.
Right.
For myself.
ठीक है.
I am responsible for how I bring up my children and their moral standing. That no, they should not be hurting any individual or society or whatever. उसके बाद से मेरी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. But do I want to be that person who's going to endanger people by casting stones at them, women especially, or minorities, or anybody? No. No, who's given me that right? कि मैं judgment pass करूँ? मैं नहीं करूँगी.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात
मैं नहीं करूँगी.
No,
मुझे ये बहुत clear है कि सही क्या है गलत क्या है.
हाँ.
If somebody is sleeping their way up, गलत है. But that's their cause to, and that's their problem. That's not my problem. Unless they're coming to me for advice. फिर मैं advice दूँगी.
ठीक.
Otherwise मैं judge नहीं करूँगी.
Okay, but I think ये बहुत important बात तुमने की है, because at that point I was judging. I was being very judgy. We are judging.
We all
say we're
do.
not
We all
judging,
do.
we're
मैं भी
not-
ये
we are
बात की
judging.
बातें कर रही हूँ, but
हाँ.
कभी बंदा कर लेता है, judgment भी कर लेता है. क्या है?
कर ला-
Yeah. नहीं करनी चाहिए.
नहीं करनी चाहिए.
नहीं.
So even so, if you had to, like, I mean, you said Sanam Saeed and Fawad. Are there any other people that you've like seriously respect for the art of acting? Because this is what you're doing. You talked about one drama which
Yeah.
has been a long time ago.
Yeah.
Is there any other thing which has
There are a
happened
lot
recently?
of people now I have a lot of respect for as actors.
Huh.
I have a lot of respect for Sajjal Ali.
Okay.
Because I think she's choosing her dramas very carefully. She's really being that responsible figurehead, for the industry. I have incredible respect for Yumna Zaidi as well. Again, the same thing. She's passionate about her work. She's not into idhar udhar ki cheezein kar lo, काम करती है, solid, घर जाती है, काम कर रही है और अच्छा काम कर रही है, making good choices, all of that. I have a lot of respect for Bilal Abbas Khan. I think him as well. He's not somebody who will find at parties or, interviews with Betha Hua. He's not looking for fame or popularity or every campaign or, but he does really good work. He's a really good actor. The younger lot is really good. I think, I mentioned this yesterday in the review as well, I think that Shuja Asad has huge potential. I mean, he's your next superstar. He's your next superstar. I mean, he's fashionable. He can do the Garib Gali Ka Ladka and he can do the rich kind of, negative role. He's got a great range. And I mean, ये 2 दिन की बात नहीं, कब से लगा हुआ है वो. It's not like एकदम overnight fame मिली है. I think Sair Khan has huge potential. And she's realizing that. जैसे जैसे वो serious project कर रही है, she's finding that confidence. So, मेरे लिए तो all these kids are like, I tell them my career is older than you guys. I mean, really.
Yeah.
You've seen them grow. You've seen the industry grow.
Right.
And you have a sincere love for the industry. I mean, I'm not here to make money. I'm not. It's a byproduct. पैसे बन रहे हैं, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बन रहे हैं. But I'm not here to make money.
मजा भी आ रहा है ना?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Enjoy कर रही हो.
Yeah, because you're part of something that is alive, and you're part of something that is growing and that has a future and that people talk about. Not here, but anywhere.
What about the plays?
There are some really good dramas.
Like after Zindagi Gulzar hai,
Yeah, there are some really good dramas. No, to mention them offhand, but जैसे पिछले साल ज़र्द पत्तों का बन, सज्जल अली and Hamza Suhail, another one who's got huge potential. Fantastic drama. गाँव की कहानी है, लेकिन progressive कहानी है. Really good, underrated. नहीं वो views आए.
This is the one that वो उठती है, वो काम करना शुरू कर देती है. Is that the one? I don't know.
No, गाँव की लड़की है, who wants to be a doctor.
हाँ.
Because उसके गाँव में lady doctor नहीं है.
हाँ.
And they're conservative. And how she falls in love with another doctor. And it was really a beautiful story.
Okay.
Yeah, so my favorite, of course, Mustafa Afridi and Saifi Hassan. Great duo. So they're really good stories. And then there are some stories that are just like, pure entertainment. You watch them and you laugh and, वो भी हैं. Yeah.
Like what?
Like there's this new one that started Dine.
Dine?
With Mehwish Hayat.
Is the Dine
It's
meaning
not
it's not a horror?
No.
Or
It's
she's
like,
just a witch?
No, अभी तो she's this little miskeen लड़की. सोचो जरा, Mehwish Hayat is playing like a 21-year-old बेचारी college की लड़की. I know. It's like you need to suspend your logic completely. बेचारी सी वो लड़की है और उसको जिससे मोहब्बत थी, उसको उसके बाप ने नशे की हालत में शराबी है बाप, उसको मार दिया. और अब अभी it's like the 4th, 5th episode, but we're seeing like a खून भरी मांग कि उसकी transformation होगी, फिर वो बाल कटा के red lipstick लगा के आएगी.
Oh, so it's predictable.
हाँ.
ये
And
मैं
you're
खुद भी
like,
लिख
oh
सकती
my
हूँ
God,
script.
you watch
तो
this
और
and
मैं बैठ के
you
script
watch
लिख
it and
सकती
you roast it,
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Do
watch
you
it
want
and
to write a drama ever?
No,
Have you
no.
thought about this? Never.
No.
Film?
No, if I
screenplay,
write
short
तो
documentary.
लिखूंगी तो किताब ही लिखूंगी नहीं.
किताब ही लिखोगे.
हाँ.
So do you miss that? I mean, I know कि
I miss
छोटी
writing so
छोटी
much.
content लिखना पड़ता है social media के लिए. You have people for
Hardly.
that, right?
No, I write my captions myself, but hardly. It's like 3 lines.
अच्छा भी
उसमें
कभी
क्या है?
ऐसे हुआ है? I know that there's been a lot of political posts. Do you get a lot of those that you have to post and you're cringing? I have to.
No.
You don't. Do you say no?
No, I say no. I've never been approached, but I have actually, and I said no. The thing is that, so I have a thing. Of course, social media पे paid content होता है, collaborations भी हम लोग करते हैं. मगर एक तो है ना कि आपने किसी ऐसे ब्रांड के साथ किया जो आप नहीं पहनते, but you recognize that they've got something happening, they've got quality. It's just not your style. You'll still promote it. But if somebody asks me to do आप कोई weight loss medication promote कर दें, which could be dangerous for somebody, I'm not going to do it. So I'm not going to promote something that can
So
be
you have
dangerous
checks
for
and
people.
balances.
I do. And also I'm not going to promote like political people that I don't align with.
That I know.
Ideological.
मगर आपने मुझे refuse कर दिया था जब मैंने आपको PM के dinner पे बुलाया था.
Okay.
मुझे पता है ना. I'm just saying that.
yeah.
I know कि that's where I see. It's not that I don't disrespect that. I respect that. Because I do see कि आमना इंसानी at certain point which people don't think. वो कहते हैं जो पैसे लेके वो post लगा देती हैं. It's not like that. It's not like that.
You see, Priya, people will think how they themselves operate.
Yeah.
जो वो खुद कर रहे हैं वो अगले को भी सोचेंगे ना वो भी ऐसा ही है. उनको तो नहीं पता मैं कैसी हूँ. बोलता नहीं. फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता.
I don't know about you guys, but you hear her and you see that confidence from her, and that she has the thing. But you're also. It's not it's a hard and fast rule. There's always that middle space where you do go yourself to assess and decide कि क्या करना है. What's the next thing? I mean, you've got so much, man.
अभी तो there's so much
AHI
happening.
and then
I
culture,
know.
vulture.
I know. It's so much fun with Yamar.
Yeah.
Fashion Fortnightly is so much fun with Tabish.
Yeah.
Something Hot reviews are so much fun with Hassan. I think we're so balanced together. I've had so much fun.
I always found that very interesting. Hassan and you were like chalk and cheese.
Which is what is working. Yeah.
You know, जब मैं उसको देखती हूँ मैं कहती हूँ कि यार ये और उसके बोलने का तरीका and everything is so different.
Hassan is unabashedly Punjabi. Yeah,
I think that. I mean, I was just shocked when it first happened, but obviously but then I could understand it also, and I could understand your respect for his opinions and the way he does things as well. And you know, he actually became famous because of Something Hot, I think, at some point.
No, let's not say that.
But I'm telling you because I didn't know.
I think Hassan and I both became famous because of Something Hot.
Achha, okay.
As a fashion journalist, I'm not famous.
Yeah.
Nobody knows a fashion journalist.
That's true.
Or a model or a stylist. Or nobody knows a fashion journalist. It's when we started talking about television dramas that, you know, there's like, I don't know how many million people, the diaspora everywhere.
Yes.
And we have a 60% global audience.
Right. Oh, wow.
Right?
Wow.
And it's like, you know, there's Pakistan, there's India, then it's the United States, there's North America, Canada, Middle East, UK. So we've got a huge international audience.
Right.
And they relate to us because of the way we are. And that's how we both became famous, not just Hassan.
Right.
I was famous to you because of fashion.
Because how I knew you.
Because of,
and also the power you had. Sorry.
Okay.
Power of the pen.
Yeah, but I mean, fame, जो अगर आपने कहना है, if you want to call it fame, it's because of our reviews on Something Hot.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
Views तो वहीं से आते
I
हैं.
had a question in my mind, but it slipped now. It's gone. Does that happen to you? Of
What?
course.
All the time, man.
Oh my God.
Perimenopause. Hello. It's like my life has changed.
Right. What would be the question if you had asked me a question, which you will anyway ask me, but if you did, what would you ask me?
If you had to change one thing about how you've led your life, what would you change?
What would I change? I don't even think it's possible. You know, it is what it is.
Hypothetical question.
I know. What would I change about my life? I think I would have been more street smart. You know. Okay. In growing up in my younger years, maybe I would have seeked out therapy a lot earlier, which would have helped me counter some of the relationships I've had, you know, the toxic masculinity, जिसकी तुम काफ़ी बातें करती हो, तुम्हें वो पसंद भी हैं ड्रामा में, but वो चीज़ें
I don't like toxic masculinity.
No, you don't. You talk about it. I'm saying you
Yeah,
talk
yeah,
about it and you
yeah.
bring it out कि
Yeah,
भाई
yeah.
ये ड्रामा इसकी बात कर रहा है या पेट्रियार्की की बात कर रहा है. वो चीज़ें अगर मुझे उस वक्त समझ आ जाती, maybe I would have. But I think it is what it is. Like I have a lot of faith, like you. I'm also very
Yeah,
spiritual.
yeah.
जो लोगों को नहीं पता.
Yeah.
तो मैं हमेशा ये समझती हूँ कि it is what it is. It is the journey that you have to go through to come
Yeah.
to where you are.
Absolutely.
Okay, and of course you'd like to take tech, but मुझे तो उसके भी अब regret ही नहीं है. कोई regret
No
नहीं.
regrets.
No regret.
No regrets.
No regrets because I think
Regrets नहीं हो सकती.
वो हो ही नहीं सकती because वो टाइम ऐसा होता है उसके ऊपर वो चीज़ सही होती है या गलत होती है आपको नहीं समझ आती.
Absolutely.
You know, वो choices होती हैं जो कि आप करते हैं और जब आप older and wiser हो जाते हैं वो आपको
Yeah.
सब चीज़ें समझ आनी शुरू हो जाती हैं.
Yeah.
So I don't think so. I don't think I would change anything. Many people used to ask me as a model, physically, what would you say? I should be like 5 inches taller. I would say that.
Absolutely. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And I think that also, now in retrospect, no. Because I think being the height that I was, which is taller than most Pakistani women, you work harder.
Yeah.
When you have something, you know, that you don't have, you
Yeah,
work harder.
absolutely.
You have to work harder to
Yeah.
be successful
Yeah.
in that field. So I think that's what I think. Yeah. But आगे क्या करना है? अब ये बताओ ना, मुझसे ये सवाल कोई करे ना कि आगे क्या करना है?
आगे करना है.
आगे क्या करना है? बच्चे तुम्हारे बड़े हो गए हैं.
Yeah.
ठीक है, अच्छे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में पढ़ लिया उन्होंने. You have a successful business.
Yeah.
और बहुत smart थी because you went into it pretty early before a lot of people did. And I
Before,
think-
yeah, absolutely.
And also you found a niche.
Yeah.
You were smart. You know कि you saw कि fashion मर रहा है और मुझे ये करना है और तुम्हारी networking भी strong है, I must say. You know, so you got that.
नहीं है networking.
अरे
strong.
यार है.
मुझे लगता है मेरी networking ही नहीं है.
नहीं है.
नहीं
है strong.
Okay.
You know, the thing is when you have a successful business, that the power comes from there too. You understand what I'm saying? It might not be the networking, but the fact that you have a platform which people look at and say, I remember the question. Your fans.
Yeah.
You have a fan club. Like not just for drama वाला, because तुम्हारा अपना भी Instagram है, तुम तैयार होती हो, तुम तस्वीरें लगाती हो, मैं देखती रहती हूँ. So you have that whole fan club.
Yeah, that's so amazing, you know.
Yeah.
I feel so blessed.
That's
because
your network, yaar.
That's my network.
That
for
is your
sure.
network.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite fan? What do they say? How do they uplift you in the morning?
They give me so much love. It's just that anything I put up, you know,
Yeah.
there's an outpouring of love on everything. I could do anything and they're like, you know, I mean, शुरू में डर लगता था ना कि oh, you know, if you're overweight, they will body shame. And people do get body shamed, you know. मेरी कभी trolling नहीं हुई. कभी मेरी trolling नहीं हुई. कभी किसी ने मुझे मोटी भैंस नहीं कहा. You know, and मैं देखती हूँ लोगों को लोग कहते हैं. इस किस्म के अल्फाज इस्तेमाल करते हैं. They use these kind of words.
अरे सारा वक्त
हर वक्त करते हैं.
मुझे करते हैं सारा वक्त. बुढ़ी घोड़ी, लाल लगाम, सारा वक्त मैं छोड़ देती हूँ. और मुझे लोग कहते हैं कि डिलीट क्यों नहीं करती. मैंने कहा नहीं,
मुझे कभी नहीं किया. मुझे कभी नहीं hate मिली.
Why is it? What are you
I
doing?
don't know, man. I don't know.
Give me some advice.
I'm just blessed.
Bring it on.
I'm just blessed. मुझे कभी नहीं मिली. Nobody's ever
बहुत
told
पसंद
me.
करते हैं तुम्हें.
I get so much love. And you know, if you're going anywhere and up to it's so strange. Like Musa lives in New York and he was on the subway. And this couple stopped me and they asked him, "Are you Amna Sani's son?" And he was like, "Yeah." And it's like, "We watch her show, we love her." And then of course Pakistani
That's so
settled in New
beautiful.
York. Yeah.
That's
and it was like people
beautiful.
recognize him because of a picture I may have put up.
Yeah.
But there's so much love.
Yeah.
And I also push the envelope at times, you know.
But do you respond to them? कहते हैं ना कि जो लोग आपको लिखते हैं आपको उसके ऊपर
Sometimes I do. I mean, I just get too many DMs now, you know, people sharing their personal stories. I read them all. It's difficult to sort of, you know, emails भी होती हैं.
नहीं, but वो पर्सनल स्टोरी क्यों शेयर कर रहे हैं तुम्हारे साथ? एडवाइस के लिए?
दिल हल्का करने के लिए, कई एडवाइस के लिए, which I never give because I'm not equipped to give personal advice, you know.
You don't answer back.
No.
You
no,
can't.
I don't.
So please everybody, Forgive Amna for not answering back on the
answering, yeah.
DMs because no, I also get them.
Yeah.
But sometimes मेरे पास दूसरी किस्म की आती हैं, more activist oriented.
Right.
You know, मेरे साथ domestic violence हुई है, इस तरह की चीज़ हुई है, and then I can divert them to certain areas.
People share their stories when they watch them on television in dramas. And then they
Relate
write
जब करते हैं.
कि ये नहीं कि वो कहते हैं कि ये हमारे साथ भी ये हुआ है.
That's what
Like
I mean.
domestic violence हो तो ये मेरे साथ मेरी कहानी है ये. आप लोगों ने ये कहा कि ऐसा होता नहीं है लेकिन मेरे साथ ही हुआ है. You know, that kind of a thing. And so then we go back and
Can
the
you
next
share
review.
something like that?
I mean, yeah.
Like in one example of something कि जो ड्रामे में हुआ जो कि हम लोग and you think कि नहीं हो सकता ऐसे.
मतलब ऐसी बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं जैसे एक बहुत पढ़ी लिखी लड़की है and you know Jaffa for example and she's a victim of assault in her own house and we said कि अच्छा ये तलाक क्यों नहीं ले रही and you know why she mulling over it और एकदम क्यों नहीं कर रही and you know इतनी वो emancipated दिखाई हुई है तो ऐसी लड़की तो फौरन कर लेगी and she'll move on. मैंने नहीं कहा Hassan felt this way and I said नहीं it will still take time but then we got messages that you know I've been in that situation and it took me this long to actually file for divorce or move on.
So it was like what do you call it? Wife rape? Is it called
Marital rape.
marital rape?
It was
right.
not marital. No, it's not. It was not rape. It was mara.
Domestic assault, and she's not leaving. A lot of people don't.
Mara,
leave.
yeah.
I mean, and let me tell you something. So when we're talking about this, and we were talking about it, I didn't leave for 5 years. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm an emancipated. I had a business.
There you go.
I had everything. Why? Why
Yeah.
do women not leave an abusive relationship? क्यों नहीं छोड़ती औरतें? वो इसीलिए नहीं छोड़ती होती कि एक तो हमारे को सिखाया जाता कि निभाओ,
Yeah.
बच्चों का क्या होगा,
Compromise करो.
और आपको आपके ये समझ ही नहीं आ रही थी कि ये अब्यूज़ है. आप कभी कभी तो आप कुछ दूसरा बंदा बता रहा है कि यू डिज़र्व दिस,
Yeah.
यू नो, वही वाली कहानी शुरू हो जाती है. तो जितनी भी कोई एजुकेटेड लड़कियां भी, अब मेरे ख्याल में वो इतना एक्सपोजर हो गया है इन चीज़ों का कि आप पढ़ सकते हैं, मगर पहले आप कहाँ पढ़ सकते थे? कहाँ बात, आपको तो बात भी करने की इजाज़त नहीं है ना. ये ऐसी बात है कि जी इज़्ज़त की बात है, ख़ानदान की बात है. सो आई फॉर मी दैट इज़ अ वेरी नॉर्मल एंड यू नो
नहीं हमारी तो बहुत weird society है ना. मतलब marital rape exist ही नहीं करता.
हाँ
They don't think marital
exactly.
rape exists. No, it does. और you know ये तो हकूक हैं, शोहर के हकूक हैं ज़रूर हैं, बिल्कुल हैं. But consent is a big thing. Even in a marriage, consent is a big thing. So,
And
I mean,
hurting
it's
and
like,
hurting.
You can't hurt somebody.
physically
Yeah,
hurting
exactly.
somebody is not right. नहीं पता लोगों को, नहीं
Yeah,
पता है.
नहीं पता.
Do you think कि आजकल के ड्रामे जो अब आ रहे हैं वो ज़्यादा इन चीज़ों पे मौजूद
Yeah,
पे
some
बात कर
very,
रहे हैं?
yeah. Some
Who's your
very
favorite
bold.
writer out of all of them?
Writers?
हाँ.
Oh, I आजकल तो I'm really enjoying Mustafa Afridi's writing.
अच्छा,
He's
हाँ,
doing
you
some
said that.
fantastic work.
Right.
बहुत अच्छा लिख रहे हैं. Responsible, you know, sensitive, and you know, right now to he would be my favorite writer. Umaira Ahmed is so good.
Yeah.
She's written some amazing dramas. Amazing, you know. Whatever. I think these would be my two favorite.
Do you miss films? Films खत्म
Of
होती
course
जा
I
रही
miss
हैं,
films. वो
खत्म होती
फला,
जा रही हैं.
it's like,
एक आ रही है वो लव गुरु करके.
I know. I'm looking forward to that.
हाँ, me too.
I would like going to the
Nadeem Beg
cinema,
is good.
grabbing your popcorn.
Of course.
और your 3,000 रुपए के nachos. जो कोई खरीद दे तो सही है. You know,
We've done that many times.
we've done that many times.
Sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, going to the cinema, watching a
Yeah.
film is
Yeah.
great. It's like,
Yeah.
you know.
But it's sad also ना, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा, that's what I'm saying कि कुछ चीज़ें बहुत regressive हो गई हैं. सिर्फ ड्रामे इस वक्त जो है वो, even music, you've also done a lot of work with music.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
enough, but
Yeah.
some, yeah.
And do you miss that? Do you miss that, the fact that we don't have a lot of platforms now? It's just obviously Spotify hai, there's young people who can
I think
do
music
this
is doing fine.
now. Yeah, do you
I
like the
feel-
young music?
I
you
do.
Like Tala Anjum? Do you
Yeah, I
like
do.
Hassan Rahim?
I do. I like the young ones.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you do? Okay.
You have to connect with the youth.
Right.
If you have to be relevant.
Yeah.
And you have to connect like on a sincere level, not के मैंने ये करना है, calculate के इसलिए करना है. No, you have to love it.
Yeah. Have you noticed that Atif Aslam's social media account has changed?
Oh my God, he's become this like social media queen. I love it.
And
I
people are
love
saying,
it.
कौन है पीछे उसके, कौन है?
जो भी है यार,
हाँ.
enjoy the content. It's
You're
good.
not behind it, are you?
No, I'm not. No, that's
Just-
one book I would love to write.
Right,
I
what?
would love to do Atif Aslam's biography.
Really?
Yeah, I'd love to do it.
Why?
I don't know. I just think that his entire trajectory is so interesting. You know,
Yeah.
कहाँ एक छोटा सा बच्चा है और कहाँ वो global star. You know, वो कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने वो किया and have a story to tell.
Yeah. And also just not having the opportunities.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would be one interesting, you know.
For me, it would be interesting to do Tala Anjum. That would be
course, yeah,
interesting. I
yeah,
mean, now
absolutely.
bigger than Atif on downloads and Spotify,
Yeah.
whatever. Because that's वो एक change आ गया ना अब तुम्हारा. It's also political and social.
Yeah.
And it's very street, but it's what people is resonating with people.
Totally.
You know, I think he's also very cool. Tala Kaun.
He's very cool.
टक के सिवा कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I mean, I'm watching. He's all over the.
He's all
I mean, there's more ads with him than any.
And how much he must have struggled in those initial years.
Yeah.
But his music
Are
is
you
so
on TikTok also?
good. I'm not.
नहीं अच्छा why?
अब कर ही नहीं पाई यार कितना
पता है वो सबसे बड़ा platform
I know, but ये
after YouTube.
I know.
हाँ नहीं कर पाई ना मैं भी नहीं
कर नहीं पाई मैं I'm not going to say like oh I don't want to be on TikTok. No, मैं कर ही नहीं पाई. Like I couldn't do it.
It's not your.
I couldn't do it. No, it was just I mean my screen time already is like going through the roof.
Right.
कितना और time गुजारूं
मैं
अपने
यही
phone
पूछने
पे.
वाली थी हम I mean for me मैं ये सोची थी हम ना इसके लिए कैसे टाइम निकाले. I thought Ramzan is always good for my podcast, but tell me कि what is your normal day like?
It's crazy.
And is it all in your house?
Most of it is.
Okay.
Most of it is in the house.
Okay.
But I'm always on the screen.
Yeah.
If I'm checking my emails or I'm checking my Instagram or I'm doing something or I have people, of course, now I have a great team to do everything, but still you're constantly engaged.
Right.
Constant engagement. Drama dekh rahe ho, ye kar rahe ho, wo kar rahe ho. I love it.
Wow. If you had to, I mean, I know you interviewed Shah Rukh Khan, so I'm not going to talk about it because I know you talked about it. You met him. I was there. I heard everything you said. No, I wasn't there, but I was talking to you about it. Who else? I know you love Bollywood also.
Yeah.
Are you missing Bollywood? Are you missing?
I love the old Bollywood. Na,
वो वही कह रही हूँ, change नहीं आ गया थोड़ा
बहुत
सा?
आ गया ना.
है ना? बहुत सारे नए लोग हैं, बहुत सारा Netflix हो गया है.
Yeah, but even Bollywood is complaining about that change, right?
Right.
There was a really good article in on Jazeera.
Yeah.
He was talking about, how the landscape has changed and how paid content has taken over and how it's kind of damaging the industry.
Right.
It's a really good article. But Bollywood has changed. But वो old school जो Bollywood था ना 90s, 80s and 90s. Oh,
Which I hate the 80s.
I love the 80s. It was so unabashedly like
नहीं वो तो बहुत ही घटिया
हाँ,
आइटम और एक दो तीन
You don't need to take it seriously ना.
जुम्मा चुम्मा
याद है ना ये गाने अभी तक?
मुझे याद इसलिए कि they were so वाहियात and that was so
याद है ना? सिलसिला के सारे गाने याद है ना?
सिलसिला याद. No, okay. So for me, I can watch Silsila. Now, I could watch the 70s films, but the 80s were
Silsila
too gross.
was 80s, my
the
dear.
Makeup was garish.
The Rocky
Silsila was a
and the
separate movie.
Vidhata and all of them were
Yeah.
80s and then the 90s. I love that. Oh,
Acha, 90s I can take. I can't take.
love it.
Anyway, so ये स्क्रीन के सामने रहती हैं, शीशे के सामने भी जाती हैं कभी. बाल कैसे इतने अच्छे हैं, स्किन ऐसी कितनी. You love getting dressed up. I know that.
I love dressing up.
I see you at
But
the, at the
like
salon.
I'm a lazy person. I love dressing up, but I need to be in a comfort zone. I don't like doing makeup.
What's your chill thing? When do you chill? If you're not watching TV, are you reading?
I miss reading. I am not able to read anymore, which is such
You
a
have to.
and I can't read on a screen. I need a book.
I need a book too.
I need a book. Even writing. A lot of people say, एक तो ये कि याद नहीं रहती मुझे चीजें. When you're watching so many dramas, I make notes.
Yeah.
और मैं लिखती हूँ.
But that's good.
Yeah,
You're still
because I forget.
writing.
Some
Yeah.
people don't need it. Hassan doesn't
Yeah,
need it. But
yeah.
at that age, you don't. मुझे नहीं याद रहता. मुझे लिखना होता है. So I need a paper and a pencil and I like to write. And to read, I need a book in my hand.
I went through that too. And then I started it again. And it's about shutting the TV.
हाँ मैं
and-
Kindle Windle पे नहीं
and
मैं जैसे.
stopping the social media and just going and reading.
Yeah.
And I can't tell you how much I enjoyed it.
Yeah,
It was
I need to
an
go back.
absolute joy
That's
to go
one
back
thing I aspire
to the
to do.
paperback or the hard
Absolutely.
copy. Yeah, it's amazing. We're married. We're still married. I know that.
We're married.
Yeah, I know
Yeah.
that. But you do have.
I like being married.
Yeah. Yes, and these people don't know.
I like being married.
Say that, okay? Because people don't know,
Yeah.
But it's okay to live separately, but you do connect, right?
Yeah,
At
we're
some
totally
point.
connected.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
Right. Does he support you?
Always has.
Kya baat hai.
Always has.
Yeah.
He's always supported.
So, yeah. Are you friends?
We are better friends now.
Okay.
Yeah, than when we were living together.
Right.
So we've been living separately. A lot of people ask this. Are you divorced? No, I'm not. and I do not plan to be. I
Okay.
like being married,
Yeah.
and and that's about it. It was just a healthier way to live.
A healthy way to live.
Yeah.
I think that's also very important to understand. And a lot of people don't understand that people living in the same house also
Yeah.
can be separated. Okay?
Absolutely.
And they don't understand that in the olden days, used to have separate
They're
rooms.
talking about sleep divorce now. Have
I
you read
know.
that?
No.
So sleep divorce is a new thing.
Acha, what is
Where
it?
couples have now decided
Huh.
that because they're so busy,
Huh.
that they need a good night's sleep.
Huh.
And sometimes two people in the same bed do not get a good night's sleep
Right.
because one is snoring or taking
Right.
up too much
Yeah,
space
yeah.
on the bed or whatever.
Huh.
So you have separate beds, separate rooms if you need to sleep separately.
Right. Just like you have separate
Just like
bathrooms.
the queen.
And separate sinks.
Why-
With separate sinks, jo hai na, wo-
Exactly. Absolutely.
Very important.
Very important.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah.
You need
that-
to make life work the
Right.
way you want it to work.
and evolve also. You have to evolve. You can't. But I think in the olden days, they used to have separate rooms. They used to have that door in the middle, and they used to come into. I mean, if you could afford it, if you were
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Me, obviously, and the other poor people don't even have their one space to sleep in.
Absolutely.
But it's very difficult, and it's not just about a husband. It could be kids. It could be anything. It's a relationship.
So women
and-
should have their space.
Yeah.
All
everyone.
people should have their space, but because I'm speaking on behalf of women,
Yeah.
all women should have space and they should love themselves and they should make their own rules as long as they're not, for me, as long as you're in an ethical and moral boundary
Yeah.
within limits, whatever limits have been given to you, conquer the world.
मैं तो हमेशा कहती हूँ मैं कहती हूँ हीर रांझा एक ही कबर में है वो एक उसको अभी कह रही है कि मुझे पड़ेगा
पता नहीं हीर रांझा एग्जिस्ट भी करते थे कि
नहीं
नहीं
मगर वो कह रही है उसको कि मुझे स्पेस चाहिए ओके
हाँ,
वहाँ
space
जाके
चाहिए।
और वो
हर
अगर वो
इंसान को
साथ
space चाहिए।
और अगर आप देखेंगे आपकी जो लव स्टोरीज वो सारे मर जाते हैं एंड के अंदर
अमर हो जाते हैं ना फिर
वो एग्जैक्टली
हाँ।
अगर आपको लगता है कि अगर वो साथ चल रहे
तो
होते
लड़ रहे होते वो वो साथ चल रहे होते तो लड़
कबर में
रहे
डाल
होते हाँ
कबर में डाल
Of
दिया
course. अमर तो तभी होते हैं ना कि at the height of your love, you die.
Yeah,
You're
exactly.
immortalized in that
Yes,
moment.
exactly.
If you live beyond that moment, you will fight.
exactly
Two people are meant to fight. Human beings are meant for combat. Yeah, to fight. ये हो ही नहीं सकता उसके बगैर जिंदगी नहीं गुजर सकती.
true that
Yeah.
Amna, this is from Lorella
Thank you.
and I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's a girly thingy.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
And we
Selfie ring light. I like that. Yeah.
I liked it too.
Yeah.
And so I'm so happy you came. I'm just happy that I could catch up with you. It's been a
I know,
while.
it
It's been a
was-
while.
We need to meet like outside of work as well.
I know.
Because
But we do.
We do.
We have a gang, guys. We have a Sakura gang that we
Yeah,
do
we
talk
have a
on.
Sakura group.
We do meet. But obviously everyone's very busy और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा travel करती हूँ तो
Yeah,
उसके अंदर मुश्किल हो जाता है.
absolutely.
सही है. Good.
But thank you, Priya. Thank you for having me. It was lovely talking.
also
it
just
was like
loved it.
1 hour of like therapy, catharsis. It's so important.
I know. I didn't know
important.
you cried.
Oh, I'm a crier.
I know.
Cried.
फिल्मों की बात अलग है and I also didn't know that you went through that. That is always जो family के ऊपर होता है ना उससे ज़्यादा जो scary और वो होता है ना वो नहीं होता but also the faith part. That was very good. I love that part. वो मुझे नहीं पता था हम ना कि तुमने बैठ के पूरे 6 घंटे तक
मुश्किल वजीफा है.
I
And then
had-
I do it every year now.
I think it's a great
I do
idea.
it every
I
year.
had done it during my brother's when he was sick and he was dying. But basically मुझे कहा गया था कि 1.25 लाख मरतबा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह और तो मेरा तो गला ही सूख गया था because I think 1.5 लाख मरतबा पढ़ना is a lot. And then I didn't have to do, I had to do 3. So I had my friends do some who stayed behind while I was in Houston. So I know, I relate to that.
Absolutely.
Okay, on that note, thank you very much,
Thank you,
Amna
thank you,
Haider
Priya.
Isani कि आप आई और
Thank you, आपने
you
बुलाया.
know Amna Haider Isani not so scary anymore.
No,
But
I'm
lots
not a
of
scary.
fan
I'm not a scary
clubs.
person. I'm not, a scary person. No.
Lots of fans, lots of joy and lots of good critiquing and lots for
Just
the women and men.
positivity.
Yes,
Lots
lots,
of
for you to
positivity.
take back, guys, and learn from. So thank you. We'll see you again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on FY Podcast, and we shall see you for the next one.
Hi, this is Amna Haider Isani. You're watching me on the FY podcast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification.